Question 3, letter A of the exam is basically asking for the derivative of the following function, following statement. So basically, here it's a case they're gonna use implicit differentiation. Set differentiation, because in this case we have the y's and the x together in both sides mixed. So in this case we're gonna use so first thing they're gonna do is basically differentiate both sides. So in one side we're gonna have 1 times a to the 4 y plus x 4y to the third times y prime plus, and here we have 2x times y plus x squared plus times 1 times y prime. Yeah, basically, and also the other side, don't forget the other side. We don't have a lot of space here, but if we do, it will be 4, be also 2xy. Okay, so now that we differentiate both sides, we basically need to do the multiplications and isolate the y primes in this case. So basically, if we do the correct multiplications and isolating the y primes, we do 4 here, so it's going to be x 30y prime plus 2xy plus x to the power 2 y equals to 1 plus 3 prime there, and 3 prime here. And we've developed more, just passing the y primes for that side. So isolating the y prime here, putting in evidence actually, and we're gonna have x to the power 4 minus 3. All right, and everything equals 1 minus the same thing in the other side. And now isolating the y prime, passing this factor here, dividing, we're gonna have finally our answer that will be 1 minus the 4 minus 2xy over 4xy power 3 plus x2 minus 3. So this is our the derivative of this using the implicit differentiation that we basically differentiate both sides, okay? Question 3, letter B. Basically, it is asking for the 2021 derivative of the following function. Of the function f of x in this case, and basically here it's just logic and trying to apply the rules. So basically here in this first one, we know that derivative of L of x will be 1 over x. So this 3 is a constant, it's still here. And here we're gonna need to interpret. So basically like this one, we need to do, as we learned in class, that we're gonna get like 2021 derivative. So basically here it will affect this one here. It will be 2000. Oh, I got wrong here. It will be 2020 factorial, because this factorial here means that we are doing 2021 times the derivative of this first statement right here, multiplying this 3. But also we cannot forget that this x will also be part of the expression. So this x will be elevated to the power of 2021, because this is a 2021 derivative. Here, let's go to the second one. Here we can see that this is elevated. This is to the power, this 23x is to the power of 2001. So basically the 2021 derivative, it will be a moment that this will be 0. Okay, so basically we just need to add plus 0. Easy. And this one we need to to see carefully. This 3 here be a constant, will stay here. This 2 right here, we're gonna multiply using the rules. This 2 we're gonna go here, and we're gonna do the derivative of this 2 this amount of times, and according to the rule, this 2, as it was inside, it will be 2 to the power of 2021. And now the last thing, cosine of 2x. What is the derivative of cosine 2x? Basically times sine 2x. But remember, once here it's minus sine 2x, we're gonna have minus here, and this minus will come here. So basically gonna be 3 times 2020 derivative over x for 2021 plus the 0 we just don't need to copy, 3 times 2 to the power of 2021. In here, of course, this positive sign will go away. We're gonna have a negative sign, and then sine of 2x. This is our answer for letter B, question number 3.